Hello Sassy friends, welcome back to Sassy Sale. So today we will do the unboxing and testing of Deerma Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner. What we will get from the box are this user manual, this power cord, this little cleaning brush, and of course the actual vacuum cleaner. This vacuum is equipped with efficient UV quartz glass UV germicidal lamp tube. It is equipped with cyclone dust collecting system and efficient HEPA filter system with dust collecting function of general professional vacuum cleaner. For our first efficiency test, let's use this 3-month-old recliner chair located in the bedroom. Since this recliner chair is almost new, I'm expecting that this one is not so dusty. For this test, I will not do thorough cleaning. I will just vacuum whatever areas I can cover within 5 minutes. As you can see, this vacuum is designed with ergonomic handle to effectively reduce the labor intensity of palm and arms. A safety reminder, it is strictly prohibited to direct the UV lamp tube in normal working state to any part of human, animal, or plant for irradiation so as to avoid injuries. Now that 5 minutes is over, let's see how much dust we got. So this is the dust collecting box. We have to ensure that we power off first the machine and unplug it from the outlet before we pull this out. Now let's open this up so we can see how much dust we got from the recliner chair. Surprisingly, there's a lot. I'm actually not expecting this much because we're not opening our window in our bedroom, so we just always keep it closed, and there is no visible dust from the surface of our things in the bedroom, so I really don't expect this much. Just imagine, I just did the vacuum cleaning for about 5 minutes and we got this much. For me, this is much already because for a short period of time, I can't imagine that we have this dust all over my couch. Actually, we have the little cleaning brush that you can use to remove this dust from this dust box. Also, please don't forget to dispose properly the dust that you got from your vacuum. Hi there! So for our next test, we will try this Deerma Dust Mite cleaning vacuum in our living room sofa. Let's try it out! But before that, we will also ensure that there is no other dust from here because I already removed the dust I got from the recliner chair from our bedroom. And whatever dust we will see here later on is from the living room sofa. I am so much excited to see how efficient this Deerma vacuum cleaner is. So, let's try it on. So far for our review on this Deerma Dust Mite cleaning vacuum, I just tried this 5 minutes each on our case, which is the recliner chair in our bedroom, and now this living room sofa. I only vacuum each of those for about 5 minutes, and we got this much dust already. So I haven't done the total cleaning, and I'm sure if I make my vacuum cleaning habit longer than that 5 minutes, I will get much dust than this one. So as a review, I can see that this one is really a deep cleaning vacuum, especially on your bed, on your sofa, on your blanket. Those things or those stuffs at home that should be 101% clean, because you put that always on your face. It will cause sometimes pimples or allergies, or will trigger your asthma. So if you have kids at home and you're sensitive on dust, this one is better for you. And if you really want to make your home really clean, even if the dust cannot seen by your naked eye, it's good for you because this does a deep cleaning. As you can see, this sofa really looks clean naman, but we are able to extract this much dust from that. So I think this is really a good buy. This does a deep cleaning vacuum and may ultraviolet ray as well. I recommend this to all moms or everyone who want to keep their home clean all the time, especially if you have allergic rhinitis, asthma, or you're just allergic to dust. This one is a good buy for you. This is a low cost but high quality vacuum cleaner for your bed, sofa, and blanket or pillow. So I hope I provided you a good review of this item. If you want to see more of this kind of review, kindly hit the subscribe button and like my video, or if you want to have a review of anything, just leave me a comment. So for now, I'll end this video and I hope to see you soon.